Meaning of determiner.
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 Determiner. In grammar, a determiner is a word or group of words that introduces a noun or noun phrase and specifies its reference. Determiners include articles, a, and, the, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, possessives, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, quantifiers, some, any, many, few, several, etc., and cardinal numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. They are used to provide information about the number, ownership, specificity, and quantity of a noun. Determiners play a crucial role in defining the meaning and function of a noun phrase in a sentence.